I just finished modernizing my 1971 Radisson. Put some EVA foam in it. I got a custom table that runs right here. But I still got some leaks. So I'm going to repair those today. And I'm going to try out this flexible silicone. Goop. Amazing goop. I'm going to grind off the edges there. Everything I repaired already 15 years ago, grind that down. Put some more sealant on. To get it all wiped down. Got the amazing goop ready to go. We'll use this piece of wood as a little spreader. We'll start with the ends. Get you a little close up here. I'm going to let it dry for 3 days. Make sure she's as cured as possible before I test her out. We'll test it out in 3 days. If you want to see the updates I've done, I'm going to make a new video, review everything I built for it, and add it on. I'm going to put it in the water this coming weekend. Subscribe. Just came off the water about 3 hours, 3.5. I don't think we got any water. Take everything out and we'll see. We got everything out. We got a little bit of water down